Hello students, now sum number 6. It is given in this form: 1 by 3 x minus y equals to 1 by 4 y minus 1. This is my equation number 1. So first I will cross multiply. By 4 I am multiplying this 4x minus 4y. Similarly, right hand side by 3y minus 3, or 4x is coming. If this will go that side, it will become plus 7y minus 3. That means x is coming 7y minus 3 by 4. This is my equation number 3. Then equation number 2. Equation number 2 is 1 by 7 4x minus 5y equals to x minus 7. So this one cross multiply. 4x minus 5y equals to 7x minus 49. Therefore 4x minus 7x means minus 3x. Minus 3x equals to 5y minus 49. This is my equation number 4. Now I substitute the value of x in this equation. In equation 4, substituting the value of x in equation 4. My x is this, so minus 3 into 7y minus 3 by 4 equals to 5y minus 49. Therefore multiply, minus 3 is there. Okay, so minus 21y plus 9, and by 4 I am multiplying this side. 20y minus 196, or this being left hand side, both are negative. So minus 41y equals to minus 196 minus 9, or 205. Therefore y 205 by 41 by 5. Y is coming 5. So I have to calculate the value of x. My x is this. Okay. X equals to, I had this one. My x equals to, in my equation 3 was x equals to 7y minus 3 by 4. Now here I am putting the value of y. (32 by 4), 8. So x is 8 and y is 5. These are my x 8, y 5. These are my solutions. Clear? Now if the sum is this type, number 8. P into x plus y equals to Q into x minus y equals to 2pq. Here not given separate equations. Clear? Together it is written. So first we'll make two equations. How? All are equal. So we can write here in this form p into x plus y equals to 2pq. Clear? Now p cancel. So x plus y 2q. This is my equation number 1. Again I can write from there q into x minus y equals to 2pq. Q cancel out. So x minus y equals to 2p. This is my equation number 2. Clear? So from 1, what I'll do? I'll make what is x? X equals to 2q minus y. This is my equation number 3. Now substitute the value of x in equation number 2. What is the x minus y? Okay. Now, substituting the value of x in equation 2. My x is 2q minus y. So 2q minus y and there is minus y equals to 2p or twice y. 2q minus 2p equals to twice y. Therefore 2 I am taking common, y equals to 2 into q minus p by 2. So my y is q minus p and I will put the value of y in that equation. X equals to, I had 2q minus y. Now put the value of y here, q minus p. Clear? So I am getting 2q minus q plus p, that is q plus p. So my x is q plus p and y is q minus p. These are the equations or not? Yes. Y is q minus p and x is q plus p. These are my two solutions. Now, if the sum is this type, number 7, x by 14 plus y by 18 equals to 1. This is my equation number 1. So what to do? I can make it in, you can take the LCM. Okay, 14, 18, you can take the LCM of that. LCM will be 126. I am taking the LCM. LCM is 126. And if you multiply this by 4, it will become 9. 9x plus 7y equals to 1. Or 9x plus 7y equals to 126. Or x equals to 126 minus 7y by 9. This is my equation number 3. Clear? Now I substitute this value in equation number 2. My equation number 2 is x plus y by 2 plus 3x minus 5y by 4 equals to 2. So take LCM, 8, 4x plus 4y plus 6x minus 10y equals to 2. It is becoming 10x minus 6y equals to 16. Then this is my equation number 2. Substituting the value of x here, x is this, or 10 into 126 minus 7y by 9 minus 6y equals to 16, or that is a big multiplication. 1260 minus 70y minus 54y equals to 9 into 16. 144. That is 3y. My equation 4x plus 6x. Sorry, here LCM will be 4. So it is 2x plus 2y, and that will become 8x. 4, that is 3x, and that is 5y. 4 is the LCM, so 2x plus 2y plus 3x minus 5y. 5x minus 3y equals to 8. Then 5 into this. Now if I multiply this by 5, it is not 16, it is 5x minus 3y equals to 8. Or multiply by 5, it is coming okay, after this you can do it yourself. Big multiplication, okay, you will solve it. Here what I have done from equation 1, this is my equation 1, x by 14 plus y by 18 equals to 1. I had taken the LCM, then I have cleaned that. I have got the equation, that one 14, 9x plus 7y equals to, I had that 126. I have cleaned the board, 126, and from there x equals to what I have written, clear? Then I have to put this value in equation number 2, clear? So in equation number 2, 5x minus 3y equals to 8, then 5 into, I have substituted the value of x, then I am getting this. After this you will complete this, you will multiply and you will take the LCM, you will get the value of y first, then you will put the value of y in any equation, then you will get x, clear? So this is the method of substitution. So my suggestion is that if in exam it will not be mentioned that solve by method of substitution, then don't go for that method. You will do either by elimination or by comparison method. Then in next videos you will get problem sums related to solving of linear simultaneous equations. Bye.